P. Morgan just officially sent out the alert. This needs to be talked about because it will make the market go crazy and make us all very rich. There is a lot of green in the market right now. We can look at it every week, every day, every hour, every month, or any other length of time. People are making money right now from the last week. Today, all of the markets could go up by 10 to 20%. We're also moving forward well. Also, I already said that we've seen green everywhere in the last hour. Bitcoin 116 almost done. At 117K, Ethereum isn't very interesting, but it's now over 4,300, which is up over 27% in the last week. 8 or almost 8% in the last day. XRP is down about 1.6%. Early this morning, everyone in the video was talking about how important Ethereum is for XRP and how I'm talking about it right now. It seems like it's replacing XRP or something crazy on the channel. Hey guys, I'm going to talk about Ethereum because we're in phase 2. XRP has actually done really well. In the past year, XRP has gone up 455%. But for now, the key goal is for Ethereum to rise so that old coins like XRP can rise even more. We want Ethereum money to be put into old coins like XRP. I talked about Ethereum in the movie. No matter how much you dislike it, Ethereum needs to be as high as it can be for XRP to work here. Along the same lines, Bitcoin must first run in order to make the whole crypto space liquid. Only then can Ethereum run and old coins follow. This is why you will hear a lot about Ethereum now that we are in step 2. The most important thing to notice, though, is how positive this place is becoming about the crypto market cap. That $4 trillion goal is getting closer. If we look at the price over the last year, it's very close to its all-time high. For the most part, we are. I don't think this is very true, though, because CoinMarketCap has been very wrong about many things in the past. I need to quickly find the amount in TradingView right now. That's how the sum looks. We're almost at the highest point ever. It's pretty close. It hit an all-time high in July, but we're getting very close to $4 trillion. But it's easy to see the big rise here. We're going for a much bigger level on this chart right now. I think we should quickly draw this on the map since it's the next stop as soon as we get past this all-time high point. As soon as we pass this all-time high of 3.94 trillion, I think 5 to 7 trillion will be the crypt's next big thing. It might not happen right away, though. Once the market value of all cryptocurrencies hits $5 trillion, I'll be happy, but it could take a while. In general, though, the market looks great. More and more Ethereum trades are happening. We already talked about this today. We are in phase 2 because it's almost like Bitcoin's. The strangest thing about this is that Bitcoin has lost the 60% mark after being over it for 182 days. 60%. 5.9. 75% is where we are now. Bitcoin control is about to have the craziest end to the week in a long time. We can only wait for the next steps on this chart to be reached. I do believe that 5, 6, 8, 1% is the next level. Guys, the first few shows of the new season have already been shown. Alt season is already getting better in the middle, even though I said we were in phase 2. Second step. The next drop in Bitcoin's popularity will be about 5%, which is a change of 2.99% in Bitcoin's popularity. This will make altcoins and even Ethereum go up even more. Though the market is very good right now, I just said that I think interest is so low. I think this is crazy. I don't think many people are here yet to shop. I understand that everyone says it is, but I don't agree. Bitcoin is still very close to 116K. Ethereum has reached its best point since December 2021, but not much is being said or done about it. This can only mean one thing. We haven't seen anything yet. I don't think either of us have. As an example, XRP is selling for $324 right now, but I'm still seeing a lot of really bad things said about it. It seems crazy to me. I have no idea why everyone is in such a bad mood. The price of XRP has been around these bad things for a while now. We're in a tight circle right now and are just about to make it in. This is mostly what I looked at on the 3-day if we're really going off that wedge, which it seems to be. I think we might have one more test at this level, around $366. We could stay here for a while, move up and down a few times, break out, and then finally get that big break to the upside. However, if you don't care about the short term, like how prices move and dealing on lower time frames, then guess what? To understand this, just know that XRP will soon be worth more than $4. I'm not sure what to say now. At the very least by the end of August. At the very least. I believe that XRP prices will go up a lot. From the end of August to the beginning of September, the market should be going up a lot. This is why, as I already said, I'm still only thinking about altcoins and the 3 of them right now. See what the number 3 looks like altogether. You already know this chart if you're a paid Discord user. Since it matches exactly what we wanted to see on the total 3 level up to now, we were completely wiped out. We are now back at the highest number, 1.05. A billion, it's not for sure. Guys, this level wouldn't be very strong if there was a sell-off right before the increase. The price of old coins has dropped only a little. From $1. 5 trillion, the amount has dropped by about $5.85 trillion, or 5.85%. It's important to note that we would only drop here if we saw a picture that was going crazy. A small drop in prices and a pullback could happen, which would lead to a slowdown everywhere. After that, there would be that much bigger rise. Also, not long ago, all coins broke through their all-time high, but we never got a solid close above it. The price should close over the all-time high after this next move, and old coins should pop out all over the place. I'm also keeping an eye on XRP dominance right now because this week's extra dominance looks great. It looks like we're just behind. We might go with a wider range before that big break, but I think it will be at least 6%. We'll get to 8% in the end. Then XRP would be up about 11 to 14% if it became very bullish this cycle and recovered like it did in 2017 and 2018. There is no way to know how high XRP will go. We don't plan our days ahead of time. It's been hard to get past 5.4% and 1.5% so far this cycle, but I really want us to break through it. That would actually let us have a much bigger rise on the USD picture. I already said that JP Morgan sent out the warning. What are we talking about? Okay, according to JP Morgan, the Fed will begin cutting rates in September. Rates are expected to drop 4 quarter points this year, bringing them to a range of 3.25 to 3.5%, according to the bank. Trump's push and a weak job market have also sped up estimates of when things will happen. Take a look. Here's a warning from Fox News. There are only a few hours left to trade, but there are now 223 more points on the board. To the Dow. After much thought, JP Morgan now says that rates will drop 5 more times this year and once more in September. There you have it. The markets understand all of this. For now, Charles Payne is here to help you figure this out. Charles Payne of Making Money. Really, everyone these days wants to make money. It looks like our very random question on our show's Twitter account helped us do that too. What's making you so worried right now? Is it the cost? Does it need work? A huge number of people said it was because interest rates were going down. Do you think this will happen? Are you sure that there will be a lot of cuts by the end of the course? Everything changed when those job numbers and changes showed up at 8:30 on a Friday morning. Everyone thought there was a 40/30th chance that rates would go down in September at that point. That's something that almost everyone sees. If you say 4, the rate will go down by at least 150 basis points. That makes things look like. Right away more important. That really tells you. In any case, if the Fed has to do that, it will be bad for Jay Powell because, in his view, whenever they have to do more than 25 basis points,